Today I test one of the most viral money making apps on the internet, and what I discovered after downloading it, playing the games, completing the task and trying to withdraw is honestly shocking. Watch this video till the end because the truth is not what people are showing online. I went to Google and searched for a best earn per task website, and this website show up at the top. So I decided let this test it honestly with a screen recording on. No sponsorship, no base, just a real user experience. Searching and downloading. So first I searched it on Google's and found the official website. This website looked simple, nothing fancy, and it had a big download now button. I click it, the app download, and within a few seconds it was installed on my phone. Everything looked smooth, but this is where things slowly started to change. Login instant rewards. When I open the app for the first time, it's asked me to sign in with my email, so I added my email log in, and immediately boom, I created me with $0.10 for a 10 rupees. I was like, okay, not bad. Maybe this app really pay, but trust me, what happened next was completely different from what I expected. The game task test. In 55 seconds, the app show me a task. Download this game and play. Rewards $0.10. So I click download the game, open it, play it for a bit, and then return back to the app to see if the rewards got added. Guess what? The created were exactly the same, zero change. The rewards did not update at all. That's was my first red flags, but I still continue the testing, exploring the app in 40 seconds. Next, I decided to explore the entire app. I check every tabs, offer, survey, task, wallet, payment, but almost everything was either empty or not working properly. Most survey did not open, tasks were entirely limited, and the ones of were available did not update rewards at all. Payment attempt reality. Now comes the most important part. Do this app actually pay? I went to payment section. I saw Amazon UPI, Amazon gift cards and withdrawal option. I so tried Amazon. I entered my emails and click withdraw, and it keep giving the same message, payment proof not available, try again later. I tried multiple times and every time the same result, no payment, no proof, nothing. Final test log out. At the point it was clear the task do not update, the survey do not work, and withdrawal simply does not happen. So after testing everything honestly, I log out of the app because there was no point wasting for time. Honest truth in 30 seconds. Here the truth. This app look professional but is does not pay instantly. The rewards do not update. The task barely work, and there is zero withdrawal proof inside the app. If you trying to me real money online, do not blindly trust every viral earning apps you see. I test this app so you won't waste your time. If you want to me the test another app, drop the name in the comment and tell you in the real truth. See you in the next one.